Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Easy Web Tutorials Hub, where we teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Practically, we do everything here, and you can see how we do them. If you can follow us, follow what we do, then you will be able to make money online. Alright. So here in this video tutorial, you will learn exactly how you can do your affiliate marketing without a website. Alright. So unlike other people are talking about email marketing software, UK, like they talk about email marketing, but in terms of this very affiliate model, we have nothing to do with web hosting, or maybe should I say web hosting costs or something like that. You have nothing to do with web hosting Germany or hosting um providers. All right. So all you have to do here is for you to follow the steps we're going to be discussing here, right? Since you won't have anything to do with web hosting, nothing like domain, buying of domain, or maybe talking about web hosting companies in any part of the world. Like, you are not going to be hosting anything, so it's totally free, right? So let's just head over to the steps and we go. So in this regards, unlike like I said, unlike email marketing software for small businesses, there are other affiliate software. There are other affiliate marketing softwares, all right, one can use, but here we're going to be using this very method I've been using for long, and I can make money. Like, we're not going to be hosting any website here, no web hosting company, no web hosting provider. All right. So, and there's nothing like affiliate marketing software, or should I say email marketing software for small business. All right. So here you're going to be marketing your affiliate links on Facebook timeline, or should I say your page. All right. So if you have got page, you can just do it on this platform. All right.
If you love the video, right? Subscribe. You like, comment, and share with your friends, alright? If you're in love with the video, just subscribe.
So on the second one, if you can just share Facebook or your affiliate link on Facebook, find a strategic way to market it. Then the second one is Pinterest. On Pinterest is more or less like should I say Instagram, because this is more of infographics, and here you can meet prospective customers, clients, like Taiwan country based customers that will fetch you good money when you are able to present your affiliate links the right way, right? So you can promote this your affiliate link without the website, right? So this is about affiliate marketing without a website. You don't need to own a website, right? So even LinkedIn has to do with a professional profile, like, all right. So this can connect you up to good clients, and should I say reasonable people that you can make sales through. All right. So here you don't need anything like affiliate software platforms, all right, or should I say even web hosting, because these social media platforms are totally free. Okay, they are totally free, and anybody can do it. And this is more or less like an insurance. Like, I'm ensuring you that yes, this is how it is, and have been using it to make good money, right? So on Pinterest, you should know about infographic. You can use Canva to create your infographics, and then on LinkedIn, you can just create a good profile. Then make people trust you. All right, make people trust you, and you are good to go.
If you love the video, right? Subscribe. You like, comment, and share with your friends, alright? If you're in love with the video, just subscribe.
So this vast opportunity, I've been using this method, like I said earlier, right? So there are people using them. Still there are people doing email marketing this era, and is converting well, right? So you can combine both email marketing and affiliate marketing, all right? So for the email marketing, you can just build your list, and when you got to list, you can kindly send traffic, or maybe should I say send traffic from this your subscribers to the landing page of, or should I say the link of the affiliate you're promoting, all right? So but for this reason, you can create an eye-catching or maybe a high converting landing page for your affiliate marketing. All right, so this one you don't need a website of your own. You're not going to be paying for any web hosting, or you're not needing any web hosting provider. All right, so even web hosting costs, you have nothing to do with those stuffs. Not even domain providers, or should I say domain registrar. You don't need them. All right, so you can kindly check our channel for video on how to create a free landing page. All right, so you can also take advantage of Medium. Medium is a social platform, like should I say, they are forum. You have good domain authority, good backlinks that you can just create eye-catching content, generate free article, and use on them. Even Quora is a place where you ask questions and you get answers. All right, so they work so well as well. All right, so that's another amazing platform you can just take charge of, and you'll be making money from affiliate marketing without website. You don't need to own a website before you promote affiliate products anymore. All right, so like Amazon, should I say AliExpress, some of these e-commerce sites. All right, so in case you are even promoting any software, you can use this free platform as well.
If you love the video, right? Subscribe. You like, comment, and share with your friends, alright? If you're in love with the video, just subscribe.
So if you are a good copywriter, you can present your article so well on Quora, Medium, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook timeline, or create a free landing page on Google sites. All right, you don't need to use Builderall platform like Builderall software for building your landing page. All right, so you don't even need Builderall. Okay, so even on WhatsApp status, there are a lot of persons taking advantage of WhatsApp status. All right, so you create your WhatsApp TV. Make sure you are offering value. When you give out value and you have this affiliate product to promote, you can kindly make good money from it. Okay, so the major thing you should do here, and you should be reminded of, is you are not going to be buying, or should I say, you're not going to be needing anything like web hosting provider, web hosting Germany, web hosting cost, web hosting, and all of those stuff. You don't need them, not even domain. All right, so all of these things you're going to be transacting on your WhatsApp status, like on normal ground you post on WhatsApp, or even you can even take advantage of Facebook Reels. All right, so this is something new. Facebook Reels, all of those TikTok, you can take advantage of them without having a website of your own, and you'll be able to make good money on affiliate marketing. All right, so just take advantage of this stuff. All right, so just like email marketing software for e-commerce and all of those stuffs, there are affiliate marketing software like Builderall as well, but that would be quite expensive, and I think you can go with the free method I have been using. All right, so Instagram and Pinterest, they work hand in hand, and you can just create eye-catching infographic with Canva. All right, so with the Canva free version, you can create amazing infographics. All right, so this is something very simple you can do, and when you head over to canva.com, you can be able to create eye-catching infographics. All right, so instead of settling for affiliate marketing software for e-commerce or for small businesses, you can kindly use Google site to create a free landing page, or use Facebook, Quora, WhatsApp, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Medium to promote your affiliate offers and make good money for yourself. Right, so here you learn already. I have told you how you can make money from affiliate marketing without a website. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. In case you are new to the channel, please subscribe.